to my channel. My name is Sade. So I think I should start saying my name in my videos, even though I hate saying my name. If that makes sense, I don't like saying my name. But my name is Sade because I know people will be thinking my name is Sadie or Sade or stuff like that. But my name is Sade. So if you're new here, hey girl, hey. But if you're not new, hey. No. But yeah, today I'm about to wax my legs. This is my first time ever doing something like this. I never had any type of waxes besides my eyebrows. So I'm gonna be waxing my legs. I don't know how this is gonna go. I don't know, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see together. This is the one I got. It's no heat. I think that's what it says. Oh, no warming, no heat, whatever. But yeah, we're gonna see how this goes. It says lasts up to 8 weeks. We're gonna see. I'm scared. I'm really scared. But then again, it's like, girl, you gave birth without no meds, so how are you scared? I don't know, but I'm scared. But anyways, y'all, let me show you my legs. My legs look crazy. You can braid my leg hair, like braid it. But I'm gonna show y'all my leg hair. Don't talk about me now, cause don't talk about me. I can see my legs. I don't know, y'all. I gotta get a ring light because the light in my apartment sucks. So I gotta get a ring light. But this is, my feet probably crunchy, but this is my legs. If y'all can see them, you can actually braid this hair. Y'all can see. But yeah, I do apologize for this lightning, but bear with me. It's trying to get better. You can see it like that. Okay, I think you can see it better. Yes, y'all, look at this. You can actually braid this stuff. But look, I ain't been seeing nobody, ain't nobody been seeing me, so it ain't been no point in me shaving my legs. So yeah, my little tiny skinny legs. So yeah, y'all, let's see what we can do with this. Let's see. Yeah, my lighting suck. Go ahead. But we gotta read the instructions because we don't want to be doing nothing wrong. So these are the wax strips. Instructions, which I got to read those. Girl, I ain't trying to be out here looking crazy. This is finishing wipes. This is numbing wipes. Ooh, I gotta numb my legs. Okay, y'all, let me read these directions and then get this stuff started. I know y'all want to see me do this. So let me read these directions and me and my hairy legs will be right back. I read the directions. I think I'm ready. I look super washed out, y'all, but that's what we gotta do once I get my ring light. But yeah, I think I'm ready. I think I'm ready to do this. I think I got this. I think I can do this. So they says wash your legs before you do all this. So I'm about to go wash my legs, let them dry a little bit, and I'm gonna be back when it's time to wax. So I know that's what y'all want to see. I know that's why y'all came here. So let me go wash my legs and then I'll be back. Yeah, I'm about to do this. I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it. It wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad. Y'all, I hate my lighting. Ugh. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just doing some stuff. It's not that bad, y'all. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. So I know y'all don't want to hear about Chicago violence. Okay, yeah, it's not that bad. Okay. Okay. It does not hurt. If you were giving birth, child, you'll be fine. If you've gotten a tattoo, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. Okay, y'all, I'm just gonna finish up my leg and I'll be back when I'm done because it's just looking crazy. But I'll be back when I'm done. Okay, I think I fixed the lighting at the last minute, but that's okay. But yes, y'all, I think I did good for my first time. It's still like some little pieces I can do. I'm gonna just take some little pieces and get it off. But let me wipe it with the little wipey wipe. This is the finishing wipe. But I think I did good for my first time. My little bump blades. I can't get it open. But yeah, I did good for it being my first time. My camera finna die, so I'm gonna have to charge my camera while I'm doing the other leg. Just a little wipey wipe. I feel like I did good for being my first time. I'm never shaving with or using Nair again. I'm always waxing my legs. So I like this. Like I said, it did not hurt. Like I thought it was gonna hurt. So yeah, this was just a trial. I wanted to see how it was gonna go. I'm happy. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna have to charge my camera and then I'll be back gonna show y'all all the ones I use. They kind of look creepy, disgusting, but yeah. I feel like for this being my first time, I did a really good job. Yeah, I love my legs. Let me show y'all how they look. This is how my legs look. It's supposed to last 8 weeks, so we will see if it lasts 8 weeks. So yeah, I think I'm gonna just do wax from now on. I'm not gonna do nair like I said, or shave my legs. From now on, we will be doing wax, because I love my legs. I did really good. They're not like perfect or anything, but for this being my first time just jumping into this, not knowing what I'm getting myself into, I think I did good. Enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you waxed your legs before. How did it go? Let me know if you're gonna try waxing your legs. Yeah, so yeah, from now on we're gonna be doing wax. None of that shaving, none of that nair, none of that. But make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Make sure you click the bell so you will be notified when I post. Make sure you guys are subscribing, okay? Subscribe, it's free. Subscribe. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.